Audible.
Right. Kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room so that you will receive demo video and demo document. In last class, we provided demo video and demo document in a folder. Similarly, today you will receive video and document.
Oh, okay. Yesterday I attended my first demo. This is the first demo for me. So shall I get that document for me?
Yes, you will get.
Okay.
Me too.
So 5 p.m. batch. The first demo and first demo documents available here. This is the PDF document. This is the PDF and this is the Excel document with the course curriculum. And this is video. Similarly, today you will receive set of documents.
Okay.
In today's session, you all receive this is the data file required for you for practice and my screenshots on practice document, example document. What is today's session? There are two demo classes. The first demo, I explain introduction part, duration, content, what I'm covering, opportunities, the normal track and fast track differences. And so I address your questions in yesterday's session. Next, I cover data to Microsoft Fabric and AI in Power BI is a little pending. But here, types of data, types of IT applications, types of BA applications, MSBA versus Power BI versus Azure BI, and Microsoft Fabric, Power BI components and concepts. So this complete part I explain. These are the prerequisites which you need to understand before you start up Power BI. Because BA evolution, IT evolution, and a Microsoft level, Microsoft BA evolution. And today I'll give you a recap of yesterday's session for 10 minutes. And then I will explain this. Power BI components, Power BI concepts. And Power BI level, there is a component called desktop. The desktop requirements, installation. One example, an end-to-end flow, desktop and cloud practice. This is today's example. And don't expect in detail and in deeper example in the demo sessions. But regular classes are for that purpose only. You'll find complex examples, complex scenarios, complex tasks in the regular classes. Because demo should be understandable to everyone and try to understand what is the way I'm progressing, what type of content I'm delivering. And this is not a session to identify complex tasks in the session. If you're comfortable, then anyway, we will discuss in the regular classes, 2 projects, multiple case studies. So I'm giving a recap. In the first demo, I covered training details. So my name, my mobile number, and more than 20 people called me yesterday, really good. Even I'm expecting the same from others as well. Different people with the different requirements, they approached me yesterday. I addressed everyone over phone. Thank you, first of all, for calling me. And moving forward, use the same number for any kind of queries, concerns, suggestions. and I'm working leading consultant, senior consultant. The training is basics to advanced and very detailed training. In case you want to learn Power BI in detail, all topics, yes, I'm one of the best trained in the market. You can confidently join, no doubt in that. Not 5 hours, 10 hours, 15 hours. In detail training you want to take. And the duration is 50 to 60 hours, daily 1 hour class. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours of practice. Initially, you may feel like, yeah, why trend is not taking 2 hours per day so that it will complete early. If I take 2 hours, almost 6 to 8 hours in a day, you need to spend time for practice, irrespective of your working experience and your IT professional. Practice is practice because the new navigations and new things, visuals look alike, but behind visuals, there's a lot of story that if you want to understand, you must practice. Hence, I recommend you for your better learning, in detail learning, daily 1 hour is sufficient, and so that you can practice 2 to 3 hours. And 90% students they expect uh, quick learning, but once they join, they're realizing that normal learning only better. And weekly, Monday to Friday compulsory classes. If you're interested, I will take on Saturday as well. And training online, offline, both available. And coming to institution side, daily live class video will provide communication through WhatsApp. Even yesterday, a couple of people messaged me in the WhatsApp. And materials theory.
Recording in progress.
Materials practical, both provided. FAQs and mock interviews are provided. We'll conduct FAQ sessions and mock interviews for the students. MSBI Tabular Cube classes 1 hour I will take, but this 1 hour is not sufficient for you. In case you want to learn more, and we offer separate Microsoft BA classes you can join in case you want to join. And coming to SQL is required for technical resources. In case your requirement is just report generation from Excel or flat file or any kind of files, then no need of SQL server. But you want to try in IT, either data analysis side or report development side, compulsory SQL is required. And I cannot take more than 4 hours in this total 60 hours. Your Power BI flush will reduce if I started taking SQL more. And this 4 hours is not sufficient for interviews and to work in the real time. And this 4 hours will help you how to connect to SQL Server database, how to bring the data, how effectively we can bring, and what type of ways we can bring, and what type of optimization methods available while working with SQL. Those things I will cover in these 4 hours. Effectively, I will cover, but not to cover in detail or interview required subject coverage. It's not for in detail or interview required subject coverage. Please remember the point. Learn a whole course so that you will get complete awareness and then prioritize 9 topics. Mandatory Power BI plus SQL Server for technical resources. And 2 projects and multiple case studies I will provide you. At the end, we will give you course completion certificate for those interested. Training objective, maximum subject coverage, a detailed training. All concepts in the Power BI will be covered properly. Instead of saying all, max subject. And real-time working perspective, interview purpose, the subject is highly helpful. And PL 300 is the examination available from the Microsoft side. So that examination, in case you want to write, yes, you can write. The people who are planning to keep 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, some add on the certification. And 70 to 80% you can clear from this session, and only 20% you need to read from the dumps. The 20% comes under dedicated administration part. So you need to read from the dumps. I will provide you the dumps freely, and I'll give you the guidance freely, no charge for it. And in what situation you want to generate your own reports, the sessions will guide you. The systematic learning will help you to create your own reports. And any graduate is eligible to learn, and it's a low code component. Coming to classes, normal track, fast track, one-on-one video-based training available. In case you want to follow my videos, yes, you can follow my videos without editing the sessions also, but it's not recommended if you get time. If you don't get time, then you can go. And normal track, 60 hours, maximum detailed subject covered, SQL coverage 4 hours. Fast track and one-on-one, both are available. Different trainers will handle. They are also SQL covered for 3 hours. Up to usage level, usually people will cover. Wherever you go, whatever it may be the institute. Within 25 hours, how come they cover complete Power BI subject? And don't assume and come out of the assumption. I will spend 15-20 hours, so I will get complete Power BI. You will get bits and pieces of Power BI, not complete Power BI. Sir, I want to try as a data analyst. Do I require complete subject? No. First 30 days of my course is sufficient if you want to try as a data analyst, or you want to create your own reports. Next 30 hours is required for the people who want to try dedicatedly in the BA, report developer or BA developer if you want to try. So during the classes, if I get any questions, if I need clarity, who will help us? This is a contact number. You can message. So whoever the trainer available, we have multiple trainers, they will respond. Or you want to call and talk to us, and these are the timings. You can call and talk to us, and we will join through Zoom and rectify your issues. In the classroom, anyway, you can ask. In the classroom, anyway, you can ask. And there are multiple batches, and the current batches, evening 5 p.m. batch, 5 to 6 p.m. batch. Sharply 5 o'clock, it will start and closes at 6 o'clock. And you are eligible for these many opportunities after learning Power BI. So Power BI in detail training, if you take report developer, BA developer, you can try along with SQL learning. Technical, 90% opportunities on this. And Power BI can be used in the data analysis side, data scientist side, data citizen side. In this situation, the first 1 month learning of Power BI is sufficient. And data analysis side, when you want to try, add on Excel basics and Python basics. Data scientist side depends, depending on the organization requirement. So by using Power BI, BA developer, report developer, dedicatedly you can try, or you can get add-on for data analysis, data scientist side, data citizenship side. In one situation, you can generate your own reports. And the difference between these three, I clearly explained yesterday. I'm not explaining again. The people who joined today fresh, they can refer to yesterday's video to understand about the environment, to understand about the opportunities. I'm going to cover next 2 months this detailed subject. First, environment awareness I will give you, and then cloud components in the Power BI, on-premises components in the Power BI, and Power Apps, Power Automate 2 hours I will cover. Even Azure Data Factory, that basics also 1-2 hours we will cover in the classroom. And these sessions only in the weekend, Saturday. In our institute, there are multiple trainers. The trainers will take these additional sessions. For every batch they are taking, we'll provide you. Whatever we are mentioning here, we'll commit to that. So what about Power BI detailed subject? Yesterday I placed in your drive level. This was the first demo. In the first demo level, there's a document. All topics. These are the topics I'm going to cover. In the same order, demos, important terms, desktop downloading installation, data extraction part, case study 1, Power BI Cloud Basics, case study 2, data transformation topic, modeling topic, visualization topic, project 1, project 2. This is the order I'm going to cover the sessions. And if a particular topic completed, we will mention yes, yes, yes. Sir, can I see what detail part you are going to cover in the transformational side? And this is Power Query. And this is the part I'm covering. And data visualization, visuals topic. These are the visuals I'm going to cover. This is visualization part. So you can look into this in detail subject if you're having some knowledge on it. And I showed you very clearly what type of materials we are providing. So good materials will provide you. I showed one material also yesterday. That's detailed material. So a spoon feeding way, proper materials will find from the institution. Sir, I will get even online. What is the difference? Online materials are total component wise. But these materials contain component plus, working level knowledge plus, highlights. Well designed for interview and real-time working perspective, not the component wise. And I will address your questions in the WhatsApp, in the class, even on the call. Daily live class videos you receive. And you will get access for 1.5 years, and you can go through the videos for practice. And you'll be having good interaction with me. And FAQs anyway we'll discuss. And these are the opportunities less than 5 years you can try in the Power BI. And you want to keep 3 years, 4 years, and less than 5 years, yes, my course also sufficient. And these are the opportunities available. 90% opportunities Power BI. This is Power BI plus SQL. And even Power BI support opportunities available in the market, admin opportunities. And 90% admin I'm covering, 90%. 10% not possible, that is capacity operations, premium capacity operations. We need to have such account. It's a very costly account. So that's the reason that 10% not possible, but you want to try junior administrator, like 1 year, 2.5 years, maximum years that you can put from this class, because detailed training will cover that. Some people going with combinations, MSBA plus Power BI, Tableau plus Power BI, ADF, Data Lake Power BI, Synapse, Databricks Power BI. Sir, which one is good? For survival purpose, you can take this, but market purpose, Power BI plus ADF or Power BI plus Synapse is good, because these two come under Fabric. Yesterday, I clearly explained what is Fabric and what type of market it has. Sir, I want to keep more than 5 years in Power BI. The current course is not suitable. At least 1-2 projects working knowledge is required along with the training. Then only you can try these highly remunerated positions, highly marketed positions. Yes, if you learn strongly next 10-15 years, no doubt you will not see back. But market is always required. If market is good, no doubt. And compared to other BI tools in the market, Power BI having good amount of calls and good requirement. So I explained this yesterday. Later, I started explaining data to Fabric. This was a discussion we completed yesterday. And with respect to data, how many types available? What type of formats available? Storage types available? and IT applications, and how many types available, and what are the major types. And business intelligence, from which area onwards evaluated, and what type of BA available, the hierarchy, legacy BA, middle age BA, modern BA. And the modern BA component is Power BI, and 2013 July onwards available. And the definition of Power BI, generic definition and Microsoft definition, and Power Platform. The relationship with Power BI and Microsoft Fabric and Power BI position in the Fabric. So this is what I covered in the last class. And today I will start from this Power BI onwards. Now, if you have any questions, kindly ask me. I'll be sharing today's session videos in your drive level. Kindly provide your email ID and mobile number.
Sir, I have a small question, sir. Shall I ask?
Yeah, Jessica.
This is Deepacharan, sir.
No, wait a minute. Yes, Deepcharan.
Sir, in your class, we will taught you how to use the Power BI with AI, sir.
Pardon?
No, how to use the Power BI with the AI, sir. In a chat GP, something like that. If you have to, how to work with the AI using the Power BI.
No, what type of AI features available in the Power BI? That part I'm covering. Don't worry.
Okay, sure, sir. That means Copilot, right, sir?
Yeah, Copilot and how extent we can use, what type of operations we can do, all I will explain. It's not a great deal, don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Maximum isn't AI available in the market, and generative AI is not good. Even other AI is not available, but Power BI level, what are the places we can implement AI and how do we use that I will cover, don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
So I request everyone who all just done, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number. You will receive both the demo videos and demo documents, and they are very valuable. Please refer to it. And I asked my team to share in WhatsApp also demo document so that you will go through. Don't consider like theory, that is very important. Unless you understand this evolution, these prerequisites, you cannot start up properly. And if you feel like, yeah, I will download the software, I will start working on it. If you go for interview, no one will ask you that. They will ask you simply, hey, Microsoft, MSBA from Microsoft and Power BI from Microsoft, why Power BI is required? Why 2 BAs Microsoft maintaining? And nowadays 3 BAs maintaining business intelligence. Why? What are the differences? If you're a beginner, maybe they will not ask. But if you keep 1, 2 years, 3 years, they will ask you. No company will purchase. So no company will introduce multiple BA components unless there's a significance. That's the reason I clearly explain all the navigation, all the hierarchical things. So kindly refer to yesterday's video, yesterday's document to get more understanding. And let me start today's fresh part. Power BI components, Power BI concepts, installation part, and end-to-end flow. And till this, you can practice. Even I will give you the document, you can practice today's example. The people who are new, not had seen any video example in the online, yeah, practice today. I'll tell you how to download the software, how to work on it. In the regular class, I will give you cloud account, and then you can complete the remaining part. So any more questions anyone wants to ask before I move forward?
Hi, sir.
Yes, Lakshmi, share the demo sessions.
Shall we get previous classes trainings recording videos? Is it possible?
Pardon?
So the classes which you already taken for the previous batch, so shall we get those recording videos?
Yeah, in case you want to complete in advance, yeah, I will share with you, don't worry. If
Okay.
anyone require previous batch videos after joining, and if your pay formality is completely over, the reception team will give you previous batch access.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir. If you feel, yeah, 2 months is very high, at 2.5 months is very high, I need previous batch videos. I will follow that as well as I'll attend this. Yeah, my team will help you for that. Don't worry.
Hello, sir.
Yes, madam.
Sir, I'm asking, I want to join morning batch. So, there are another need to join practice. Demo classes. Yeah, we need to just start on from morning first batch.
So for every batch, we'll conduct demo sessions.
Okay,
In case
because
you
I
want
want to join morning batch, so
yeah,
that's
that's
why.
what, madam. There are multiple slots. For before starting any slot, we will take demo classes. You want to
Okay,
attend or not, your wish. You can skip the demos directly from the regular class. You can start up.
okay, get it.
And who all interested for the regular classes in the morning or any timing, you can reserve your slot. You can pay
But
for
sir, still you didn't. That mean declare the date, na? Just
hardly 1-2 days. Next week there is a demo, but 1-2 days plus or minus, not more than that. Maybe
Okay.
Wednesday, next Wednesday we'll start.
Next Wednesday. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, adding to that, so the demo at 10 a.m. IST, sir, or
No, not 10 a.m. Next batch is 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. IST.
okay, so when we can have at 10 a.m. if we know that
10 a.m. maximum 15 days.
after 15 days.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay. So one more thing, once you join at 5 p.m., so because of unavailability, so is it fine to switch to 10 a.m. once you started? Is it fine or
You need to inform us.
okay?
But say before 10 a.m. at least we will be completing 15 to 17 hours, right?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
because I'm looking for 10 a.m. Because it is taking more time. So once you join at 5 p.m., so after 15 days, can I shift to 10 a.m. Or shall I speak to in the reception? So can you please guide me here?
Yeah. You take the approval. You take the approval, they will allow you for that.
Good. Okay, thank you.
But once completed 5 p.m. and if I want to join 10 a.m., not possible. But
Yeah.
after starting 5 p.m., if you want to continue with the 10 a.m., yeah, possible.
Yeah, good. Okay, after 15, definitely, as you mentioned, it will
Right.
start, right? At
Thank
10
you.
a.m.
Right. Yes. Thank you. And let me continue from my thing. Power BI. What is Power BI? What is Power BI? Simple definition: adding more power to the existing business intelligence. Microsoft already having business intelligence, adding more power to that. And with respect to Microsoft, it's a low-code application, cloud and on-premises application, cloud supported, on-premises supported, and it will help you to generate reports and dashboards. So simply, Power BI will take data, input to Power BI, data, any type, any way, any storage, or any format, and output from the Power BI report, maybe page-related report, a non-page-related report, dashboard. So this is the output from the Power BI. And today I will explain you what is page-related, non-page-related, and how to create a non-page-related report. I will create a report, share to cloud, share with customer. This is what I'm going to explain today. Kindly focus. Types of reporting in IT. Page-related report, non-page-related report. There is a reason why I'm using this screenshots. I can explain you better, and you will see visually. Don't expect the legacy method, typing in the notepad, making it clear. There's a lot of subject. Nobody can type in the notepad. Page related report. It's a very traditional reporting and legacy reporting. The data divided into multiple pages like this. If you see the navigation, page 1, click right arrow, it will go to page 2, page 3, page 4, etc. So data is divided into multiple pages and every page is printable. Example, 200 records available, and every page I require 20 records and 10 pages required. This is called pagination. Very standard reporting for the last 30 years. Companies are using this. And Power BI level report builder will do. An SQL Server data tool, so one more component available. Cognos, BO, MicroStrategy, Crystal reports, these all also support. So maximum reporting tools in the market support traditional paginated reporting. And there is one more type available, non-paginated. This is advanced and modern reporting. Power BI, Tableau, these tools support. So multiple visuals available in the single page. And the page is not divided into multiple pages. So multiple visuals. And if you select 17 data in all the areas, or 17 data filtered, here, everywhere. Or if you click on this part, accordingly remaining parts will display, remaining visuals will display. This kind of advanced reporting available, that is non-paginated report, modern report. Today I will show you non-paginated report using Power BI desktop component. But in the regular class, we will see paginated and non-paginated both the reportings. Next. So questions on this, please, before I go to next. In case you are not able to ask now, this is my contact number. Call me on this number to address your questions. Even you need guidance and all, yes. But don't forget to provide your email ID, mobile number to get demo videos and documents. Once again, I'm asking. Now, total Power BI having 8 components and 4 concepts. With respect to Microsoft, and this is the first component, Power BI Desktop, which is for non-paginated reporting, advanced reporting. It uses 4 concepts. Concept 1, Power Query. Concept 2, Power Pivot. Concept 3, Power View. Concept 4, Power Map. 4 concepts uses to generate report. Once the report creation completed, the report moved to Power BI cloud service. It is cloud. And report moved to Power BI cloud service and managed here. The end users, vice president, subject matter expert, managers, executives, these all people will come to cloud and bring the data and operate. They never contact your desktop application, and they always contact cloud. So this cloud, I'm going to spend time for 10 hours. And as part of Power BI administration, the cloud administration only available. So no one will admin desktop operations. And desktop operation level, no admin operations. Only cloud. And this is for the people who are moving to cloud and who are interested for cloud. 95% people using cloud only. So desktop, they will use for report development, and they will use Power BI service for the cloud storage, cloud management. Some companies, 5% companies saying, no, we don't require cloud. We need Power BI installation in our company level. And we want to keep, this is Power BI installation in our company level. We want to keep the reports and operate. That is report server on premises. So Power BI desktop for report development, and the desktop is report server desktop. Here, non-paginated report generated. Same concepts. Concept 1, concept 2, concept 3, concept 4. Once the report is developed, it will be moved to report server, on-premises server within your company server. From there, management team will access. So these are the 4 components available here, and 95% people using this combination. So what about other components? Yes, so paginated reporting you want to develop, report builder. And you want to place your Power BI report in social media, websites, blogs, etc. Then Power BI embedding. I want, in case you want to create your own visuals, Power BI developer, and you want to establish communication between on-premises to cloud, gateway. So this is Hyderabad data. I want to move to cloud, and the cloud is in US. Hyderabad data, if you want to move to US cloud, compulsory you require one intermediary component called gateway. Gateway will do that. Understand? Good. And today I'm going to explain this component, desktop.
Could you please repeat this gateway once? I didn't get this.
Pardon?
Could you please repeat this gateway concept? You said something, I didn't get it in the
Gateway. Okay, good, madam. This is your report. It is in USA. And this report require data from Hyderabad location. My machine, Hyderabad. Here I'm having data. This report require this data. Hyderabad data, this report require. How is it possible? There is one intermediary, that is gateway. This component we need to install. That component will take your Hyderabad data to cloud. Got clarity?
Yes, sir.
A small.
Yes, please.
So we are covering all these other components and everything, right, sir?
I will give you a touch base of all the concepts.
All the Power BI builder reports and BI embedded, BI
This-
developer and gateway.
Be a developer only I'm not covering because I need to explain coding. R coding, Python coding, top JSON coding is required to create own visual. Except this rest all I'm covering. Practical I will show you.
Thanks.
Now this is the Power BI desktop, which will help you to generate a report like this. A simple decision making report. And in the classes we'll do projects, guys.
So can you hear?
So we'll do very good projects. Yes, please.
Yeah, we got a concept, right? Developing our own visuals.
Mhm.
Are these different from the Power BI reports which we develop?
No, Power BI level, there are visuals available, default visuals, table, matrix, chart, etc. And if you don't feel comfortable with those visuals and you are expecting something different, then you can create your own visual with coding. Visual with coding, I'm talking about visual component.
Okay, okay. Those visuals which are not default in the Power BI desktop or the Power BI user UI, we can develop using programming. Am I right?
Yes, perfect.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. But pretty enough, what are the visuals we are having in Power BI? By default, you will get 35 visuals.
Okay.
And custom visuals around 200 available. So those are pretty sufficient. You don't need to go for other visuals. But still some companies expecting visuals.
Any of the visual, every data will be visualized. It's not like a customized visual will have some more. Only thing is the appearance will be different. Am I right, sir?
No, custom visual is the visual which you create your own.
Okay. Hmm.
That's purely your requirement. Right.
Right.
Guys, in the regular class, we will see very complex applications. One project you see, this is a project I will show you practically. We'll do it for a week. And I will show you. See, the main page is created. When we click on a main page, it will go to a particular page. Set of visuals, set of operations. So these are all filterings available. An analysis we will do. And we will get back button to go back to another page. And different types of pages and analysis. Different types, even will display who is selecting and what type of selection he is having, and supplier classification insights. This is one project we do, and one more project we will implement. And this is very advanced. So this is an app actually, app in Power BI. On the app level, you will find a main page like this. When we click on a particular customer, so it is showing it's a custom tooltip. We can create our own tooltip. See tooltip pages creation. And this is second page. From here to here, we will move. And that is having different types of visuals, visual navigations, KPIs, etc. This kind of reports and projects we'll see in the regular class. And then I'm showing in the cloud level, not in the desktop level. Even you do in the cloud. But it's a classroom example now. I cannot show you this because it will take 5 to 6 hours. So I'm going for a very simple example for the practice, demo level. And try to understand the process, not the depth of the subject in this demo part. So this is a desktop component which will help you to take data and generate report or visualization like this. And what type of data we are going to use now? I'm going to use an Excel data where my family expenses available. In lockdown period, 20 period, July and August, couple of expenses I made and the data available here. In Hyderabad, for books, I spent some money, food, I spent some money, travel, I spent some money that is available. And I want to generate a report with what is my total money spending, average money spending, minimum spending, maximum spending. And based on my filter, if I select 19 total average minimum maximum, August 19 August total average minimum maximum, and also my travel to locations. In each location, money spending percentage, and the locations showing visually showing, and for which reason I spent more money, which reason I spent less money, etc. So from your transactional data, lockdown period transactional data, I want to analyze this. And you require a reporting component. So Power BI desktop I'm using. And what it does, this desktop will do. This desktop will do this process. It will bring the data, transform the data. If data is not in a proper shape, it will do transformation and model the data, relationship establish, secure the data. In case you want to protect your data, unauthorized users should not see, or only authorized people will see. So authorized people should see. Then we apply security. Only visuals are created and displayed to the users. In case Raju is a user, he want to see his data only. Or when Mahesh connect, Mahesh is a manager, Mahesh data plus other data should be displayed. Then security is a topic we'll use. And if you perform this end-to-end process, Then it is called self-service BA process. So data, self-service BA process, and business intelligence data. So your data converted to BA data by using this end-to-end process. And this end-to-end process we do in the Power BI desktop level. So Power BI desktop is called a self-service BA application. Then how do we install, sir? How do we implement this process? Let me show you practically. So this is what I'm going to show you. Next 20-25 minutes maximum. Sharp 8:15 or 8:20 I will close. Sharp, very sharp. Sorry, 6:15 or 6:20. Sharp closing, kindly stay tuned. So this is your data. This desktop application will create a report like this. And I will move to cloud and I will show you how to share with customers. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will show you today. See, strictly speaking, you will work in the real time with different types of data, files, databases, warehouses, cubes, cloud, different types of data sources. And Power BI desktop level, Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View. These concepts implemented. Later, we'll move to Power BI service or server from here to customer. This is end-to-end flow. Power BI complete architecture, complete flow end-to-end is this. Any type of data processed through Power BI desktop to service or server, from there to customers. Now, what is desktop? A very regular word, the place where we perform operations graphically. So Windows desktop, Power BI desktop, Tableau desktop, multiple desktops available in the market. Now Power BI desktop, simply Power BI graphical operations area. So Power, adding additional features. BA, which will take data and generate reports and dashboards. Desktop, multiple operations area. So Power BA desktop. So 3 words combinations Power BI desktop. And input to this desktop is any data, any format, any type. And output from the desktop is desktop document. People feel like we are generating a report using Power BI desktop. No, desktop containing a document information, like a report information, data information, both. But customer required only report information. How do we share? That I will tell you in the cloud part. So desktop is required, which will take data and generate document. What are the requirements needed to install and operate? OS, Windows 10 or above is required for better experience. RAM, minimum 2 GB RAM required. Process speed, minimum 1.5 GHz for effective operations. Minimum. So these are minimal requirements. Nowadays, almost all laptops and desktop having this. So no need to worry about requirements. OS, RAM, process speed. But while working in the classroom in the real time, display orientation adjust, landscape or portrait also adjust. For example, you're generating reports for web purpose or desktop purpose. Then go for landscape. This is called landscape. If you're generating reports for mobile and tab, go for this. This is called portrait view. So we can set automatically views while developing reports based on the platform requirement. Which platform customers are accessing, accordingly we can create reports. And adjust the font in the real time while working on the application.
Sir, can you
And
repeat the last point?
from the display operations.
Yeah, display. Where do people see the reports? Web level or desktop level? In case of web or desktop, they are viewing the reports, then take landscape. Landscape orientation. Right now, my system is in landscape orientation, and by default, every system in the landscape. In case people accessing the reports in the mobile or tab, then go to portrait view. Even our mobile having two options, rotate and portrait. When you open a video, it will show in the portrait view. This is portrait view or mobile view. In case you want to see full, we'll rotate and see this. This is landscape or rotate view. So every system, every laptop or each laptop having two views. So whatever customer feel comfortable, accordingly we need to build a report. Clear? Next, always identify what type of system you are having. Accordingly, software download. 32-bit software available, 64-bit software available. So these settings and this you can identify in an area. This is search, and in this area, sysinfo, system information. Let me show you my system information. So this is my machine. Windows 11 or above available. And my processor, minimal configuration only, not a great configuration. My RAM, 16 GB. And here the important one, system type, 32 for 64-bit based PC. So if you want to download the software, this is the software we need to download. How to download? So go to search sysinfo and you will see like this and download accordingly. Right. Now Power BI Desktop. This you want to download, there are two ways. Google it and download, very routine. And go to Power BI Cloud and download. This is recommended in the real time. And for this, you require an account, Power BI account. I'll give you an account in the regular class so that you can download. The two ways, simple Google it and download, or go to cloud and download. This we'll see in tomorrow's session, and this I'll show you today.
Yeah, sorry, one question. What is the difference through download through Google and Power BI?
And one is account based and you're downloading from the cloud. So once you move to cloud, you will not face compatibility issues. Since you're downloading from the cloud, again, you're moving back to cloud, the report, developer report, you will not see any compatibility issues.
Okay.
That's a major one.
So can't I create account Power BI? Something we need to pay or generally?
No. From institution side, we will give you freely for 2 years.
Oh, good. Okay.
You don't worry about that. This is cloud actually. Cloud. Here there is an option called download. Power BI Desktop you can download. That you do it tomorrow. And today I will show you. Just Google it and download. Power BI Desktop download. You type it. Click on Power BI from Microsoft. Don't use this. And Microsoft Power BI Desktop. And it is better to read content, whatever mentioned here. And always read the details of the respective software, like version, name, everything. And even look at the system requirements and no need to ask anyone what type of requirements needed. Microsoft keep on changing. Just go here and read it. For the last 7 to 8 years, I'm following the same method. Google it, go to the requirements, observe it, and following installation process. Very simple. Just download it and next finish. And see this? Click download. This is for 32-bit machine. This is for 64-bit machine. Select 64-bit, download. 786 MB available. So Now this is 786. Even till last month, it was 500 plus MB only. 2013 July, when it was announced, that time the size was very less. The size was hardly 30 MB. Initial Power BI desktop size 30 MB only, less than a mobile app size. Now the size increased. As the features increased, size increased. Click on this and download. Once you download, it appears like this. I'm not downloading now. Our time is not sufficient. I already downloaded. I will show you. It will take 1-2 minutes time and not 1-2, 3-4 minutes time and download it. And this is the one. It's an exe file. Simply click on it. Next, finish. 2 things it will ask. Drive to install, C drive or D drive, etc. Second one, I accept license terms and conditions. Okay. Once this is completed, you will be finding on your desktop. This is Power BI desktop. And we will use it.
Sir, one question, since we are discussing about installation. So as you mentioned that we'll explain that SQL Server connected to Power BI, right? So are you able to help us to install SQL Server also?
Yes, this is my responsibility. How to install SQL Server. How do we connect everything? I'll show you.
Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. This is ready. Now what is required? Your input data required so that we can use this to generate a report. Where is the input data? I already placed in the documents level for your practice. After completing this example, you can practice, guys. This is 5 p.m. Second demo. Here, the file is available. Input file. This file we are going to use. Some header information available. Column by column data available. Amount, reason, location. Amount, reason, location. Device. This is my input. But of course, this is in my local system now. In the demo screens, demo videos, and here available. This I'm going to use. Okay, let me open the application. So input ready. Tool is ready. Now report or dashboard we need to create. Click on it. So this is called get started page. Some people say quick startup page. Home, you can create a blank report. This is to create from scratch. Empty. And this is to take data from one lake and generate a report. Take Excel and generate a report. Take SQL Server, generate a report. Even other data sources we can bring and start report. Open. This is to open existing reports. Existing and recent reports. I already signed in. This is sign in area. Account. I'll give you tomorrow the cloud account. You can practice. You can sign out. Options and settings. Here only the language. For example, Hindi language you want to set up for the desktop. Or you want to write custom coding. And you want to work on R language, Python language. Some advanced visuals you want to take. And AI features you want to enable. That is possible in this area. This is about desktop, your current desktop version, user install, session active. This kind of information you will see. But no need to feel panic, guys. First day, first time you listen to it, it's new only. But regular class will go very slowly. Everything you'll understand clearly. No need to worry. Once again, regular class goes slowly from basics to advanced and detailed training. So you will not face any issues. Even you face issues or you feel discomfort, you can go to the video and see after the session, or you can call me. Next. So what to do? I'm just clicking blank report. Or before blank report, I want to see the interface in Hindi language. Hindi. Then options and settings. Options. There is something called regional setting. Windows default language available. Mention here Hindi. Hindi India. Click OK. Okay. Now close it. Again, open the application. It's in Hindi language. Okay. Let me click on. I want to revert the changes. Revert the changes. I don't want Hindi. Then Vikalpa setting. Vikalp. Kshetri setting. Hindi to default English. Click tick high. Close it. Power BI desktop open it. Ready. Now what to do? Home menu, blank report. I want to build from scratch, so blank report. This is blank report. Now, this
Sir, you're taking the data from Excel. Sir,
yes, madam.
sir, you're taking the data from the Excel sheet.
Yeah, we will take. Not
Even
take.
then, we have to select the blank report from scratch.
Not like that. You can directly start from Excel also.
Okay.
You can directly start from Excel, but I want to explain the features of it, so I started with blank.
Okay, thank you.
Right. So this is the main interface. Self-service BI interface. Some people say color-blind friendly interface. The colors are suitable for color-blind friendly people as well. They can operate easily. And coming to self-service, now we will take the data. I will perform extract operation, transform operation, model, security we will apply, visualization. This is all possible here only. And ultimately, whatever the report or data you're generating, that is a BI data. Business intelligence data. And this is the first step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step. And this is the area, the first step we will do. Second area, third area, fourth area, fifth area, the 5 areas nearby. The same process if you want to perform in legacy or middle age, we need multiple tools, multiple setups. But in Power BI, everything you can do in a single area, that to nearby navigations. All are nearby. Okay.
One thing. Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yeah, for modeling, you said we will do secure part there, right? So any difference between this third step which you mentioned here and this modeling?
Yes, madam. Here, the 3 and 4 both implemented. And I will talk about modeling in detail later. Here, modeling means relationships. Modeling means calculations. Both come under modeling part with respect to Power BI. So here calculation part available, here relationship part available. Relationships between tables. And here calculations on the tables and security on the tables. Okay. Slowly you understand, don't worry. Two operations modeling will do. And yes, this interface is fine. Now let me explain. This is for quick saving, undo and redo tightly of the application. Anything you want to search, go to search. And this is called account. And this is minimizing. Please mute, madam. And this is maximizing. And this is closing. Minimizing, maximizing, closing. And this is called menu tab. So file menu tab, home menu tab, insert menu, modeling menu. While reading the documents, if you want to understand happily, then you need to learn these technical words. Menu tabs. Right now, home is underlined and options you are able to see. This is called home ribbon. Home ribbon options. And this is called model view. Not model view, views. And this is the first one. We call it as a report view. Report visuals plus data available. And in this is a table view. Table data displayed. And this is relationship view or model view. Technically model view, relationships, and directions view. And recently given DAX query view. Here you have a concept Copilot. So no need to write DAX. No need to face complexity in understanding DAX. Because Copilot will take care of it. And this is Pane Manager. I'm sorry, I'm maintaining little speed because it's a demo example. Regular class, I will explain the same screen for 1 hour. This is Pane Manager. Then what is Pane? A rectangle box with set of options. And this is called data pane, the first one. Data available, like tables, columns, parameters, etc. available in this area. And this is build pane, this one. I'm talking about this is a build pane. Visuals available. See, these are all the visuals. In case those are not sufficient, we'll go for here. These are Microsoft built-in visuals. And we will go to this area. In this area, you find custom visuals. This is the area. Till those are not sufficient, you can create your own visuals. And this is format pane. Like this, multiple panes available. This is a filter pane. Filter options. And in this area, you see storage mode of the data. This data set, storage mode you see. This storage mode. And this is for landscape or web view report creation. And this is for portrait view, mobile, a tab suitable report creation. And you can click plus tap this to create pages. Want to create multiple pages? Tap this. And this is the reporting area. This is the reporting area. And this is called as width. And this is called as height. And this is the report canvas. Design canvas. An actual design takes place in this area. These are a couple of options. And more options I'll explain in the regular class. So unless you understand this, you cannot use this interface properly. Now for the current example, data extraction, the end-to-end process. Process is always important. So if you want to generate a report, first step is this. Second step, if applicable, we use it. It is mandatory. Data. M for mandatory. This is optional. O. If data is not in shape, then we do it. Relationships, optional. If multiple tables available, go for it. Security, optional. Visualization, mandatory. So this 5-step process we follow for every report. This 5-step process. So every data pass through all these 5 stages. So with 2 mandatory, these 2 mandatory, these 3 optional. Now let me take our Excel data. Get data, Excel. So here, in case you want to bring data from a text file or web or database or any other, you can click more. Many sources it will connect. Many sources, files, databases, Fabric, platform, Azure, online, other many. So let me go to get data, Excel workbook. It is in my system, documents folder, demo screen, demo videos, and this is the data, family expenses data. Click open. And select the data first. It is appearing like this. This is preview. No need to worry, preview. Click load. I selected. It is loading. So I clicked on it and mentioned Excel path. Automatically system opened this. For this reflection is here. The automatically open data pane and you are having table. This is the first step I did, automatically open. You want to see this information, you can go to table view. This is second step. If you want to see. See the design, table data. You can expand here also. Yeah, just titles like this available. But in this area, you're able to see the table data. The first step successfully done. Now, second required or not? Yes. If you see this, data, amount, reason, the area location supposed to be column heading. But this is not in the column heading level. So we need to do some changes. You can say data is not in proper shape, not in column by column. Hence, need changes. These changes are called transforms. What are those? First one, remove this so that it will be the first one. And second one, make this first one as a header. Operations. So remove this, make this as header. Next, column 4. Area location, single column available, divide based on the hyphen. The area into one column, location into one column. Third step. So 3 changes if you make on this, then you will be having column by column data. You can say proper shape. So second area compulsory now. I will go. This is second area, transformation area. Click on it, transform. Always better to go to report view. From here you start up. Report view, get data. Report view, transform data. It opens a separate window. This is only one window you will find in Power BI separately. Rest all operations we can do in the same window, but only transformation separate window. This is called ETL window. Extract, transform, load window. If your operations completed here, so what type of operation? Transformation operations. How many available? Thousands of transformation operations available. If you right click here, you'll be able to see transformation options. And in the menu bars, you're able to see transformation options. If you click in this corner also, you will be able to see. So there are many transformation options available. No need to write any code. Now, my concept is remove this first one and make this as column heading. So if you want to remove this, go to this corner. In this corner, remove top row. Mention one. Number of rows to remove, one. Okay, first row remove. Let her make this as first row. So click on this. Use first row as header. I removed it. I made header. Sir, can you show me again? So in the right hand side, every step accumulated. You can cancel the last step. I canceled all the steps. I'll do it again. Click on this. Remove top row. One. Okay. And make this as column heading. Click on it. Use first row as header. Done. I want to split this into two parts. So right click. See mini transformations. Split column by delimiter. Here delimiter is separator. The data is separate with two hyphens. So mention here two hyphens. Simply click OK. Here you mention. Just click on this, mention area. Just click on this, mention location. Area and location. So I'm done with the changes. What shall I do? I need to save and close. So go home, close and apply. Close and apply. So apply means saving the changes. Close means simply closing. I'll click close and apply. See guys, you can expand and see the information properly available. And you can go to table view and you can see the data properly available. So once you make the shape properly, then you can go for other. So first one, second one completed. Go to modeling. This is a modeling area. Right now, only one table available. What type of relationship you establish? You cannot. So this is not required. Relationship not required. Security. Security anyway not in our hands. Not in the scope. So I directly go for reporting. In our current operations, no security scope. So I will go for this. So 1, 2, 5, I'm explaining. Now fifth part. What is the fifth part? Hardly 5 minutes, I will close it. So this is the one I want to develop. Guys, I need total amount, a single value. So there is a visual called card visual, which will help you to do that. This is a high level explanation. And every visual explain for half an hour to 1 hour in the regular class, don't worry. And the card visual for single value, total. And one more card visual for average. One more card visual for max. One more card visual for min. First identify the visual. And you want filtering like this, check boxes. So the check boxes, if you want slicer visual. And you want comparison, highest and lowest with bars, so bar chart. You want to see percentages and area, so pie chart. Just locations you want to show, map visual. So I'm going to use card visual, slicer visual, bar chart, pie chart, map visual. Let me take what to do, sir. I will clear this. So this is a visualization area. First step, you take the visual. Second step, you format the visual. Actually, visual first step. Second step, data adding. Third step, formation. 3 steps common for every visual. A, take the visual. B, add fields. C, format the visual. It's a standard process. Format means color, font, style, etc. adding. Now, I will take a card visual. So this is a card visual. Click on it. Fields, click on it. Amount. Ready. This amount. It is coming some. You want to format. Yeah, go to format. This is a format menu. Make it ready always format menu. Build menu, format menu. And this is called value, call out value. And this is category label in case you want to format. I clicked on it. I got this. So one time only, little confused. Later, you can do it. I said, I want border. I want background color. Then go to size and style. I want title. Just high level, I will explain first. General setting. Go to this. Visual border on. So visual border is ready. Background, I will take a light color. Like this. Next, call out value. This value. Bold. 30 size I'm mentioning. Color. Blue color I'm taking. Display unit. I don't want to show like I don't want to show in thousands. I want million. I want billion. And I think no format required. Simply none. None means no format. Next, category label. This is a label. Expand. Bold. Here I will take a color, pink color. Size you can take. You can minimize. You can take title or category label, your wish. The total amount ready. Now average amount required. Then click card visual. 1. Field amount. By default, sum will come. So you need to take average. So click on this. In place of sum, mention average in the drop down. There's a right arrow. Click on it. Summarization average. So these options directly you can take. No need to write any calculations. So Power BI level, no need to write much calculations, low code. Beyond this, if you require unit calculations, manual calculation using DAX language. Right. But I want the same format here, this format. So go here, format painter, click on it, copied, format copied, average amount. I want maximum amount, take card visual, fields, amount, click on it, in place of this, maximum. I want this format only. Go here, format painter, click on it. I want minimum amount. So card visual, routine part, field, amount, sum it is giving, right arrow, here minimum, same format I require. So go here, click on this, click on this. These 4 you want to make a single group. Highlight, 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 highlight. Press Control, highlight. Press Control and highlight. Format, group, group. I group the 4. Advantage, at a time you can move. You can resize, anything you can do. This is total value. Now year-based value required, year-based value. Then take a slicer visible. Field. So this is slicer. field, date, year. It is showing like this. If you're okay, then continue. Otherwise, go to format. This is slicer header. This is slicer value. And this is slider section. Slicer setting. Complete slicer how you want to show. That you want to change slicer setting. Filter setting. This is a between I don't want, and my customer expecting check boxes. My customer expecting check boxes, so I should go to slicer setting, not between. Here, tile unit, sorry, vertical list unit. This is checkbox. Even radio button you can take. You can allow customers to select radio button. And this tile is normal buttons. I just want checklist. 1. Slicer header. This is header. Even here options available, selection options. Select single select radio button. Multi-select, even select all also required, all locations, all also. Your wish. Slicer header, this header. Go there. Bold. I want header pink color. This pink. Size I will take 20 size. Background and all your wish. Values. Bold. I will take a blue color, 18 size. I will place here. I just want back general setting, like background is okay. Border I require border. Here general settings available, right? See, now if you mention 20, 20 total average maximum. 19 total average maximum. Select both total average maximum. Clear off. If you want to clear off, this is how it will work. And I need month. So just go here, Control C. How to copy and paste, I'm explaining. Control C, Control V. I don't want year, I want month. So remove this field, click on it, date table, month. It will take month, but all the months available. I just mentioned month, all the months it is showing. But my business data having only 2 months, July and August. So I want to maintain only 2. Then go to filter, immediate to that, visual and filter. And here month is there. And the month level, select whatever you want. July and August. This is called visual filtering. So this visual data filtering. Done. Sir, how do we come to know? With practice only. 1-2 times if you practice, you remember all the options. So if I select 19 data, July, 19 July. If I select August, 19 August. July and August. This is how required data you can see. Next, I want to compare top products, top spending, bottom spending. As I told you, bar chart is required. This is bar chart. Click bar chart. Now fields, y-axis. This is called y-axis. What do you want to take? Y-axis, reason. X-axis, amount. So reason-wise amount. So this is what. You can go to focus view. This is focus view. Food value. Travel value. Internet value. Petrol. That is a tooltip. Petrol and value, that is called tooltip. So these two highest spending, these are lowest spending. You're able to compare with values. I simply go to size and style, visual border. I want every location, how much money I spend. Then pie chart. Legend level, location, value level, amount. location wise, amount spending. You can go to focus view. This is called focus view. See it bigger. Clearly showing, if you keep cursor, Hyderabad 91,650 and 40% money. And Vijayawada 15% money. And Vishakhapatnam 40% money. And some unknown 2% money. Siddipet, like this, percentage and value, percentage value, percentage value, percentage value, percentage value. I'll go to size and style, border. And what are the locations traveled? Let's take a map visual, normal map. And location you mentioned, click location. Location is location. And value, bubble size. So these are the locations I traveled. It is showing in India, these locations I traveled, it is showing me. But values based control required, spending based. So bubble size, amount. Vishakhapatnam, value. More value, bigger bubble. Less value, small bubble. Less value, small bubble. More value, bigger bubble. Medium value, medium bubble. Like this, I'll go back to report. Like this, we will take based on the situation visuals. And if you select 19, 19 total average max min, 19 top spending, bottom spending, 19 location wise spending percentage, 19 locations traveled. Similarly, if you select it, you can see. This is one way. And second way, you can go to filter, and in the filter level also you can filter what to select or what to see. So first way, second way, third way, even you can click on this particular visual. So accordingly it will change. This is called cross highlighting and filtering. Any visual you can select. Cross highlight or filter. This is automatic available. So Power BI level, cross highlight and filter is the first one. Filter is the second one. Slicer is the third one. And like this, 6 topics available to filter the data. 6 topics. That we will see later. Now, this information I want to share with customer, this one. 2 minutes. This information I want to share with customer. How? Save it. It's a document. So file menu, save as. 8 February. From where you save. See what the extension is taking? PBAX. Word document saved with .docx. Excel document with XLSX. It's a Power BI document for PBAX. It's a Power BI document, so PBIX. Word document DOCX. Excel XLSX. Power BI PBX. I'm giving here Vinay demo report. PBX, click save. Right. No problem. So demo report save. And this is having extraction part, transformation part, modeling part, in all the parts in this. Customer do not require, only this part required. How do we share? First, save the application. I saved it. Batches, 8 February. Demo report, today I saved it, and 50 KB report. That is document. If you want to share with customer, this one we don't use. Remember, in the online YouTube and many places you will see report creation. Yes, you can create a report, but you will not say this. We need to go to cloud. So this is cloud of Power BI, app.powerbi.com. We'll connect with an account. There are 5 types of accounts. So one of the account will connect. And then we go to working area, workspace area. So there are many students practice their operations in their workspaces. I will take Bisoi workspace, one of our student. In the working area, So we will place the report. So import report, PageNet report or normal report. See this? Click on it from the computer. And where is it available? Batches, ATM February, demo report. So if you see this, guys, today uploaded demo report, but 3 parts divided. Demo report, demo report, semantic model, demo report, dashboard. 1, 2, 3. So when this comes to cloud, it will divide into 3 parts. Why and what they do, that is a different story. I will explain in the cloud operations level. Now, report is the thing we use it to share with people. The cloud level, we upload like this, and cloud level, the report appears like this, and people can navigate directly. Since he is a owner now, he can do everything. But if you wish to share, there's an option here, share option. The share option, user detail we need to mention. B underscore my users only. I mention here send. So this user will receive an email with report link. Email with report link. Sir, I want to put a time and deliver. Then this is the one. Subscribe. And here, create a subscription. Attach full report. Start date, end date, daily, so and so time, 6:45 p.m. Save. This is subscription delivery. 6:45 p.m. the report will be delivered. If customer require PDF format, so click PDF, the report download in the PDF format. PPT format downloaded. Our customer require just data from this. He want to generate his own report, analyze in Excel. And they can generate in Excel sheet. If they want to generate the report in Excel, just provide the data. That is possible through this. And they want to scan and see the report, generate QR code. You can generate a QR code and share with them. From the mobile, they can scan. The report only visible. Last one, if they want to see in the company website level, so embed report, company website level, they want to see website. So this is a link to place in other areas, website level, blog level, etc. Links. Just place the link. The report will be displayed. Embed. The company using SharePoint. SharePoint server level, they want to show the report. Are open to public. There is multiple types of sharing available. Dynamic sharing, link sharing, schedule sharing, export PPT, PDF, Excel, and QR code sharing, and placing the report in other areas like this. From cloud only possible. Then the people will open the respective emails, respective areas, and they see the report. This is the way we will use this desktop component to develop a report and to perform end-to-end operations for the report. And finally, we will place in the cloud level to share and manage. And these cloud sessions, 10 hours I will take, and will provide you account for your practice. This is what I planned for today. I'm successfully done. So data, desktop, report, cloud movement, and end-to-end this operation also perform. It's a very basic example. So I request you guys, please download the software, practice this example till this part. In case you are new, or already you are having some knowledge and you want to see in detail practical, from in the regular classes, we'll see detailed practicals. No need to worry. Subject come detailed practical. It's a 2 months detailed course. So who all interested and wanted to learn in depth of Power BI, yes, you can join. All the topics you will see. Theory, practical material provided, and daily live class video also shared. 4 hours SQL will be covered. And 2 months duration. And the current batch is 5 to 6 p.m. 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Now ask your questions if you have any questions. And in case you haven't provided your email ID, mobile number, kindly provide your email ID, mobile number. And you want to talk to me, yes, you can call me. I will provide you my contact number. You can call me on this. For career sessions, doubts, questions, or any clarity required, please call me on this.
Sir?
I'm stopping.